Over here, you can see that I have a layer right here, and this is a bitmap layer, and that is why you can see that there's pixels over here. And for the bitmap layers, what you have is you have a bounding box, and the bounding box has a certain layer resolution. So what you can do is you can right click over here, and then you can even change the bitmap layer resolution. If I were to go around over here, you can see the layer resolution right here. So let's say I want to decrease the size of the bounding box, then I can go around, resample the bitmap over here as well, and let's say I want to make it 200, and you can see it is locked, so it is 113 right here. But I want the bounding box to be, let's say, a square, so I'm going to unlock this and type in 200 over here as well, and press OK, just like this, and you can see that the bounding box resizes, and this is the new bitmap layer size right here. So that is how you can go around and then change the bitmap layer resolution, and you can see that it gets affected over here just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.